Hello, welcome to Lab 12 of Make Magazine's electronics course. Today we're going to be discussing soldering. The first part of soldering, just joining two wires together simply. Now here we have our hot soldering iron, and it melts this stuff. Solder. This is lead-free solder, so I don't poison myself. But there is leaded solder. It tends to get a better connection, but it is toxic because it melts. This stuff melts to join the wires together. So this stuff, I don't know what this is. This stuff's mostly tin. And tin has a relatively low melting point, and this soldering iron gets pretty hot. Or soldering gun, what you want to call it. I don't know why that's happening. Okay, something strange is going on. So, I've cleaned my soldering gun tip. I've got my solder ready. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the point of contact hot. And then I've got these wires clipped together with helping hands. Point of contact hot. I'm going to apply the solder to the point of contact. Let it flow a bit. Mess up a bit. Apply some more solder. And there we go. There's our solder joint. As we can see, the joint is linked together. There's a link between each part of between each wire. This is a semi-permanent link together. They're stuck together and they weren't before. That's soldering. I was just inspecting my work with my own eyes. So, that's the basics of soldering. We'll get more into soldering and the details behind it in the next lab. And we're just going to test this joint, see how good it is. That's pretty good. That's a very good joint. I can't pull it apart. Sometimes when you mess up, you can pull the joint apart immediately. This is a very, very strong joint, actually. I kind of want to be able to pull it apart. No, I cannot pull that apart at all. Trust me, I'm trying my hardest. I'm not. Yeah, this is a pretty good joint. So, next lab, I'm going to show you more about soldering and some more techniques, because as you can see, it's not that useful. But there are a few more things you can do to get better connections and more clean soldering. See you then.